I chose to take the welding program. It was a whole change in my life. I was coming out of one career field and I was looking for another, and the core knowledges that I'm picking up right now and the information I'm getting about the field, this was a brand new field for me. I had no idea about it. The instructors were able to let me know what's going to happen and where I want to take it. It's just been great since I've been here.
So our program is a year long and they come in with no experience. And so we teach them from the ground level all the way for that entire year. When they come out for that entire year, they come out a certified welder.
One of the things they do here is like I said, the core knowledges. What we found out is every place that you go, they will have a different nuance of the way you want to weld, how they want you to weld. So here we pick up a lot of the core knowledges and the information about how it works and the technical aspects of it. So we are able to go there and learn actually what the companies need us to do.
Right now, there's a shortage of like 300-some thousand welders like annually. And being where we're at in our part of the country, starting pay is probably around $18 to $22 an hour for someone coming out with no experience. The variety of skills and jobs that you can get in welding is massive. It's building buildings, it's making rocket ships, it's welding welding that dumpster together, it's welding everything.